Gura already before the stream outed herself as the big nerd, so she will be our tour guide today.
I am the park tour guide because I know much too much about the Disney World park that I should, but I do.
So. Gura, would you like to tell us which Disney World land this is modeled after? Which place? Which country?
This is Disney World from Florida, USA. Orlando, baby.
Florida!
Oh, Florida!
Look,
is that where the crocodiles are?
Yeah.
I went several times in Japan to Disney Sea and Disneyland, although I prefer Disney Sea. And I went to the one in Paris 2 times, but I never went to the one in America. So this will be the first time I see the OG. Is this the OG, right?
No, this is not the OG, but it is the Superior Park.
Tell me. It is the superior one. Okay, how is it superior, Gura?
It's bigger, it's more updated, but most importantly, it's bigger.
Follow Gura, follow Gura.
Candy. That's a candy. This is a candy. This is the Main Street Confectioner. Rumor has it that they actually pump smells into the park, and I believe this is the culprit. It always smells like delicious sweets.
In the other shop, there's still backpacks if someone still wants one.
Ooh!
Here, in this one, where I am, there's still backpacks. Like 2 backpacks and sweaters and stuff.
Let me see. Well, maybe...
Backpack.
There's another person selling stuff here.
Let me see.
There's even more stuff over on the right side. If you go back to the right side, that's a cute. Minnie Mouse backpack.
Cute. Stitch. I require Stitch.
I want this one. Cute. Cute.
There more stuff here?
Yeah. I'm gonna put these back.
Cute.
Oh my god, I need this one.
Let's see.
I need this one.
Balloon! Cute! The balloons look crazy. They look so stiff.
They look like lollipops.
Yeah, like huge lollipops.
Oh, I want to lick it.
This is fun. I love this. This is almost as if we're actually in Disney World. Almost.
Wow, Disney.
Why it's lit up right now? Are there gonna be fireworks? Can we activate them? I wonder.
Oh, so many trash cans.
Wow, it's huge.
Wowie, man. This is actually accurate because they recently updated the park to have this additional walkway and stuff here, so this is accurate. That's impressive. Oh my goodness.
Good as the latest Flash news.
What?
Oh, where are you guys?
Have you tried stopping?
I'm
sorry. I don't know. I don't help you.
And this chat is called a Kodak picture spot. It usually means something entertaining is happening.
I just don't want to leave the game right now because I'm making everybody. And does Tomorrowland have an attraction?
Mike Wazowski!
Mike Wazowski!
Please sign my book.
It's me, guy. Sign! Mike Glozowski. That's not right. Who's Glozowski? I thought it was Wazowski.
That is so cool.
Is it Mike Wazowski or Mike Glozowski?
The door! I wanna go in!
Is this not licensed?
I'm so
Wait,
scared.
even the W! It says Mike W in here, but then his name is Glozowski right there.
Yeah?
Who are you, little green man?
He's the real one!
Wazowski.
I think you're a fraud.
He's doing something! He's dancing!
I think you should take off your fake costume, you fraud. It's Wazowski.
Beans! Oh, is that an attraction? That looks fancy.
This is the thing on the space thing that flings you around. There's actually a ride to the right.
Let's go, wanna go on a ride!
Oh, wait, is that Buzz Lightyear?
It's Buzz!
Do we already see him?
What did he just do?
We
Sign
know.
my book.
Oh my god!
What? Yo!
Please sign my book.
Hi!
Look at his eyebrow.
Stitch! Sign my autograph, please!
What?
Big fan.
Oh
my
handwriting!
I can't wait for the new movie coming out. It looked so good.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Lightyear.
There's actually secret places to shoot. I wonder if they still work in the game.
Is there?
Yeah, I used to look them up before I rode the rides. Oh, I can't quite get 1 million. It's so sad.
Oh, you almost had 1 million?
I am a
What the fuck?
I am a cosmic commando. Or am I? Wait, cosmic commando.
Let's
Yeah.
How does this
I
work?
got orange.
How do you do it?
You press W.
Wait,
Oh my god! Move!
Interact with the wheel to speed up.
Smells just like it.
Mario Kart!
Oh, Mario Kart.
So cool though. Imagine if you can do this in the actual like Minecraft.
Maybe if you have a resource pack for a horse to make it into a car, maybe that
Maybe.
What comes out of her butt?
A bird. Okay.
Wait,
just
maybe
watch.
Skip the whole egg part.
Oh my
kind of
god!
dog?
I just.
Oh, cute! Ah.
What else is under her skirt? Show us, Snow White.
How did we not see this before? Out of your butt, huh? Honey!
I don't think that's honey.
Let there be music from regions beyond.
Oh my god, whoever made this is a Disney nerd. There it is, the hidden Mickey plate. What the heck?
I mean, Disney made it, probably.
That's such a weird detail, though.
Oh wow.
Which detail?
You see on the table? Do you see the plates on the table?
Yeah?
One set of plates is in the shape of Mickey Mouse's head.
Near the end. It's just a guy.
Aww.
Starting.
Kaboom! Go, go! Mumbai, where are you? Come to the middle.
Oh, hi.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot.
Hello.
Wow. Here you go.
Where are you facing? That way? Okay. Hello.
Wow, wow! Pew, 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 pew! Pew, pew.
Dreams do come true, Chad. We do it to Disney together. Wow.
Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Happy New Year! Oh, that's it?
Happy New Year.
There's other more. There's
Oh,
more.
that's relaunching.
But wait, there's more. Ooh.
Oh, wow. These look really good.
Going.
Well, this has been really fun, though. I want to say that. It's been really fun.
Thanks for the guide, Kura.
Yeah.
No better guide than you.
Sorry, I just kind of ran around making monkey noises.
Okay, cutie pie. Thanks for having us, Cinderella, and all the other people here. Thank you,
Thank
girls,
you.
for going on a Disney date together. It was a lot of fun. Really impressive. I did not expect this to be so full of content.
Yeah.
A
Yeah.
lot.
We didn't get to do
What was
everything either.
everybody's?
So.
Okay.
Anyway, well, thank you for watching.
Thank
and
you.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Goodbye.